How to use PageFly on Shopify store. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can use PageFly on Shopify. So first you have to go to this apps option, and here you have to search for PageFly page builder. So basically PageFly is a page builder. You have to install PageFly into your Shopify store by clicking the apps and then just click install and you're good to go. Now you can watch video tutorials over here if you want to, or read a quick start article to start with PageFly. Then you have to go to this pages option, and here if you scroll down a little bit, here you can see that you can create from template or you can create blank page. You can create and edit up to 6 page types. You can customize the settings for each page to make them even more effective and attract more customers. Here you can just click create from templates and you can create a page by using the templates. And if you go to this sections page, here you can just choose or create a blank section, or you can create from template. You can create one manually but by clicking create blank section. And then if you go to analytics option, here you can choose to open analytic options if you want to, and here you get the extra functions. These are some extra functions that PageFly page builder offers you, and then you have these preferences that you can see over here. Now let's go to pages, and here just click create from template, and here you can choose regular, home, product, or collection, or blog post, or password. I'm going to choose home. And once I click this, here you can see that I get these types. I can choose type, contact page, landing page, and just keep adding filters if you want to. I'm going to unclick this. You can choose landing page over here, or you can just unclick this and click blog post, or you can just unclick this and click collection page. Now let's go with the collection page. Here you can see that once I click this, it gives me 8 templates for the this type of collection page, and let's just choose this one. You can choose industry, more filters, or sort them by the way you want. I'm going to choose this one. For that you have to scroll down a little bit, and here you can see that you get this option of previewing if you want to, or you can just select and you are good to go. Once you click select, it's going to take you over here into another interface where you can just edit the page according to your needs and your wants. And here you can just add elements. You can add Shopify elements, you can add third-party elements, or you can just show page outline. You can go to your home page by clicking over here, and here you just choose a device view mode, all devices, laptop, tablet, or mobile. You can choose according to your wants and needs, and then what you can do is just editor settings, and then once you're done editing, you can always click preview and preview your page. When you are done editing, you can select an element from the canvas to view its setting over here. For example, if I click this option of heading, here you can see that it has like popped up. I can just edit the text over here by choosing to remove this one and add one of my choice, like peanut butter over here. If I write peanut butter, is going to appear over here. Now I can choose to bold, italic, or underline, or I can just add the text color and the background color and all that. So once you're done, just click save over here, and then you have to edit and add a page title over here. For example, I'm going to add demo, and then just click save, and once you click save, your page is ready. So that's how you use PageFly page editor, and I hope you like the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.